Hello MAF, my name is Marijn and I serve in the country Angola in Africa as a pilot and an AME. Behind me you will see our Cessna Caravan, and this Caravan is a really special one. It's one of the first ones off the line, serial number 18, and it bears the registration Whiskey Oscar Hotel, Wings of Hope, and this really highlights the commitment to the country that we serve. Here's the thing. Whiskey Oscar Hotel is getting to the end of her useful life here in Angola. She has served remote communities for well over 30 years all across Africa. And now it's time to retire. But she's still an important part of our program and still plays a big role in day-to-day operations. We're asking Canadians across the country to join us in supporting our effort to replace our current Caravan with a newer aircraft that will enable us to continue the important work of serving the isolated people of Angola. For more information or to give your donation, go to maf.ca/Wings of Hope and go there today. If you, family member or someone you know has $1 million laying around and doesn't have a clue what to do with it, maf.ca/Wings of Hope. Thank you.